Imagine building the next big platform. You're excited because you know network effects can create immense value that scales with the number of users. But before launching, take a look at Rolling the Dice by Dr. Ploog and Dr. Joost Rietveld, which highlights important considerations when designing products with network effects. Network effects drive growth, but only if they reach a critical mass of users. Network products with large user bases can win, yet those that fail to reach this scale are often locked out of the market entirely. This risk is especially highest in the early stages. Analysing the board game industry, the authors reveal that if your product has social features, like multiplayer or friend-sharing functions, you may need to work harder to convince users to buy and invest time in it. Novel product features can overwhelm consumers, and early adopters don't always predict mass appeal. In crowded markets, network products can be overshadowed by competitors, making it difficult to build a critical mass. The takeaway? Network effects can be powerful, but are not a guaranteed path to success. As you craft your optimal strategy, you must think carefully about product features, market dynamics, launch timing, and consumer behavior.